everyone, it's Christina and welcome to Pick Up Vietnamese. Let's learn how to say do you want to eat blah 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 today. Em muốn ăn bún bò không? Do you want to eat bún bò? Em muốn ăn bánh mì không? Do you want to eat bánh mì? Bread. Em muốn ăn phở không? Do you want to eat phở? So em is you. You can also replace it with other pronouns like anh, bạn. Muốn means want. Ăn means eat. And you add the food that you know. Em muốn ăn bún bò không? Em muốn ăn phở không? Em muốn ăn bánh mì không? Say this to your friends and let's go grab a Vietnamese dish together.